back to the BSN channel. It's been quite a long time, but today we're making some nice yam, and I actually don't know what sauce we're making. What sauce are we making? Nturopo Mɔmɔne frɔeɛ. That's what I'm gonna call it. That's what I'm gonna call it. Yeah. Nturopo Mɔmɔne frɔeɛ. Some stinky fish. Okay, so what we have in here is we've got chopped onions, sauteed in olive oil. We've got some jumbo stock seasoning put in here. We've also got trying to think, Kobe, some nice Kobe chopped up. We've also got a little bit of fish sauce, which I will show. We've also got some kippers. Thank you. This is the fish sauce we added to it. To be honest, you don't even need the fish sauce because if you've got Kobe, you don't. We've got jumbo seasoning.
It's almost done.
Obviously, my mum's here. Hello, mum.
Hi, people.
How are you?
Very well, thank you.
In Pomu to say.
Boko.
Okay.
Now, what's where?
Hey, yeah.
Ayepa.
Hey, yeah. Yes. Nyame adom.
Okay.
Anyways, we also got sardines in olive oil. Okay, my mum might put this last. She likes to eat this on the side. Am I right in saying that?
The sauce stinks so much, I can't even breathe.
She might not even add the sardine. Will you add the sardine?
I won't.
Okay, she will add the sardine. We will put the kipper in this last. Or, not, I don't know if we're going to do this last.
In here. I might have to.
Oh, macaroni and tomato sauce. I'm surprised you didn't put that before. Okay, so
I'm going to put that one. Which one shall we do first? This one?
Well, kipper doesn't take long, but alright, let's put the kipper.
Let's do this first.
Alright.
Because yesterday.
So this is proper frɔeɛ now. Because we put
You're
the
not
tomato.
going to put the frɔeɛ, I mean the other ingredients, that vegetable in it straight away. We'll be pouring it on top of it. That's how we do our homemade frɔeɛ. We blend everything inside the apotoria, the veg, and then we pour this sauce we are making on top of it.
Okay, so I'm going to show the things that you blended.
Okay.
Now here, this is what we're blending. Let me zoom out. What we're blending here is what we call Nturopo, which means garden knot. Intro means gardens, or it's a plural meaning gardens. Pop means like a knot. I could be wrong.
It is. Okay.
So we are blending about 8 Nturopo, which is really aubergine. That's what it's called, aubergine. You know, this is different from garden egg.
The smell of it. Whoa. Oh my God.
I love the smell. My mum hates the smell, even though it's her culture. You was raised with this. You introduced it to me. You're the reason why I like it.
I've gone past that stage. I'm sorry.
No.
My old age, I can't stand the smell.
Mum, you keep saying you're old. You're not old. Okay? You're looking nice. You're looking young, nice, fine. Yeah.
You can show my back a little bit. You can show my face.
Show your back.
No, the back of my head, but no face because no makeup. Too busy.
Okay, that's the back of my mum's head. That's I'm not gonna lie, that's like a little privilege right there. But there is one video where she is showing her face, but people don't watch that video.
Yeah.
But you know, she prepared herself for that one, so she was happy.
It was Christmas.
Yeah, it was Christmas time.
I was really plastering myself, so that was fun.
Oh wait, you just added the
Yeah, sorry.
my mom just added the kipper to it.
This one, the kipper.
In brine. So how do you say it? In chinin soul.
In chininsu.
Yeah.
You can't say in suoncho. It has to be in chininsu.
In chinin soul. So that's why the speaking tree is hard for me, because it's like compared to English, it's the other way around.
Yeah.
Confusing for me. Okay. So just to reiterate what's been happening here, we saute the onions.
The smell of it.
We saute the onions in olive oil. Then we added some Kobe once it sauteed properly. We added the jumbo seasoning, or what you call the stock.
I think I'll put a bit of tomatoes in there.
Then we added some fish sauce. The Kobe is what brings the nice smell, and fish sauce as well. And we added the kipper. So there's no, you can take your time with it. You can add garlic if you want to.
Yeah, I forgot.
That was
Wow. Hey,
I didn't-
how can I forget this?
I don't want to say anything directly.
Don't say nothing. Unless you're looking for trouble. Hello, stranger.
I'm not looking for trouble. Okay, and we have yam here. It's not puna yam, because many shops.
It's this time of the year. It's only for me.
Oh wow,
A bit of black pepper.
my mistake. This is puna yam, and we cut them into pieces and boil them. Well, actually, I cut them. I peeled it. My mom cut them. Yes, my mom was that lazy.
Hey, are you squeezing this before you blend?
How you doing, bro?
You good?
You right, yeah?
Yeah.
Say hello to the camera now, yeah?
Say hello, people.
This is my brother's trapping food right here.
Mom,
But I don't blame you. I mean,
that's what
You don't want the African food?
oh, what? Don't you want yam?
No.
Some Bayerɛ.
A bomb is sing.
fufu I
Doesn't
eat.
want to know.
Fufu. See, you sound like an Ashanti man, you know.
No, it doesn't.
If it's fufu, I'll eat it. Same out. Yeah.
No fufu until we are in Ghana.
Well, baked steaks, yeah. Steak bakes, my bad.
Is that what
Steak
you
bakes.
want?
So you want this?
Please, can you eat this with us and then eat that in the evening? Please?
Sorry.
Yeah?
Sorry.
Oh, just have a bit of that, and you can have that in the evening.
Try some now.
No, this one is the one.
Oh, so you're hungry now? Got some hash browns.
It won't be quicker.
This is proper British grub, mate. Some hash browns.
Can I cook this later?
Hash browns.
Huh? You want it now?
I didn't want to wake up to, no offense, African.
Anyway, sorry, I sidetracked a bit. What
you
we
don't want to wake up
what
to
we have-
African food.
what we have here is some aubergine, which is Nturopo. Got 8 pieces. This has been boiled.
was stinking.
It's a bit overdone, to be honest.
Well, your room's
We've got 1 Scotch bonnet pepper.
I'm putting a little bit in this.
Alright. Keep getting interrupted for that one. Alright, so now we're adding the chopped tomato.
Ingredients come.
Not too much.
I don't know there's any of these ingredients in the house in the first place.
Because you never go there, you never cook.
Your room stinks. Dad kicked you out from bed.
Let me show you what you always do, yeah? You always go here. Instead of going here.
It goes to fridge.
With all the fish. You see the rice, the basmati, the mackerel down there, the coconut oil. See, bro? So if you want those ingredients, you go in that cupboard over there. Anyways.
Oh, can you blend this for me, please?
Anyway, back to this. My mom's
blending.
Alright. Please let me just do this segment. And then I'll put down the camera and I'll do it.
In it.
This
I haven't got enough
it's
chili.
a bit jumbled up, this video.
Well, that's good. That's how we are doing the.
But it's
sauce.
natural. I mean, this is not improvised. No, is that right? No, it is improvised, isn't it?
It is.
I'm on about. What's the word I'm trying to? This is not routine. What's the word I'm trying?
This is called putogum shregum.
Yeah, this is not rehearsed.
You're doing it.
That term, it always made me laugh from a child, you know.
As you're going along, it's getting done.
Okay, so my mom's added more salt because Ghanaians love salt, and really we should reduce it because hypertension is big in the family. But anyways, my mom added more salt.
Yeah.
Tasted it.
But the reason why is the tomatoes was a bit sour. So
Oh, okay.
I need a bit of salt in it. Even though I put 1 cube of jumbo Maggi cubes.
So what she's done after she's added the kippers, which was quite a while ago, she also put some mackerel and tomato sauce, and she added a bit more chopped tomatoes to make it more like a proper sauce, if I can say. Alright. Do you know why? Because I was trying to explain it. Each time I explain it,
Yeah, hurry up and
So let me
blend
just-
it for me, please.
Let me explain it, please. Okay, so what we have in here is Scotch bonnet pepper, aubergine, and a boiled onion. So they've been boiled for about 30 minutes. So I'm gonna come back in about 5 minutes because I need to blend the remaining piece. So this has been blended now. The Nturopo chili and what's the other thing I'm putting? The onion's been blended. Got a bad memory. Anyways,
Yeah, for a young person.
young person. I was born an old man. I keep telling people that. I was 80 years old when I was 8. Okay, so I've covered this for a little while because I want the moisture to stay in there. And for some reason, it just makes the flavor, you know.
Turn it off, it's done, please.
I don't know. My English is gone. It makes the flavor
No shoes.
more concentrated or multiply or.
Stronger.
I don't know. I'm like a human thesaurus. Also, yeah, I forgot to add. It's good to put garlic in here. Really, you should put fresh garlic before while you're sautéing. Unlike some people.
Watch what
Okay.
you say, boy.
Alright, okay.
You're trying to tell me mom is lazy to peel fresh onion.
See what?
I mean fresh garlic.
I'm not saying anything. I'm not.
Oh my God, no wonder your brother is not eating this food. It stinks. Whoa.
Me, I love this food.
I regret. It turns my stomach right now.
Turns your stomach.
Yes. Maybe because I'm recovering from the flu. Oh my God. So is that what I'm going to eat?
So this sauce is going to go on top of the blended chili, Nturopo, and onions. Okay. So we're just waiting for the yam to be done. Has the yam been done? Okay, so the yam's been done. Alright, a couple more minutes. So how long in total has the yam been boiling?
Because I didn't cover it properly the way
Yeah,
the lid.
to keep the heat inside.
Yeah, so that's why it's still not done. But usually for a yam, it takes about less than 15 minutes to be cooked.
Okay, so about 15 to 20 minutes.
20 minutes is too long. Puna is fast.
I'm just trying to translate African time, you know? It's a joke, it's a joke, it's a joke. Okay, she's gone, I'm not really joking. When she says 15 minutes, she means 20, 25 minutes. But yeah, she is right though. You can boil it for 15 minutes. It depends how soft you want your yam to be honest. What I like to do is I like to stick my fork through some of the yams and make it even softer. I like that texture, but it's up to you. It's all trial and error. Okay, so we'll be back in 2 minutes when the yam is done. And the well, I was going to call it frɔeɛ, but my mom says once you add this to here, it will be frɔeɛ. So this is abomu right now, yeah?
Yep.
Really, I call this frɔeɛ as well, but you know, my mom says this will go on top of here and become frɔeɛ. So 5 minutes, that'll be done. Peace. So here you have it. You got Bayerɛ near Nturopo Mɔmɔne frɔeɛ. The two sauces have been mixed together, and here you have it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. Peace.